Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing only the essentials and starting scoring right away. You log in, confirm permissions, and import the wallpaper images. The interface accepts JPG and PNG, including high-res. Once done, set the evaluation profile, choose metrics like color contrast, pattern repeat, and file quality. Then assign weights on a 1 to 5 scale so the tool knows what you value most. This step focuses scoring on your goals and avoids wasting time on irrelevant options. Next, you configure detailed analysis parameters and run the batch. First, adjust thresholds such as contrast percentage, pattern repeat tolerance, and acceptable noise level to match your aesthetic or print requirements. Then group images into batches, apply your selected profile, and start processing while watching the progress bar. Once the run completes, review per image scores, open visual heat maps to see why each score occurred, and compare finalists side by side to make informed choices quickly. To finish, you finalize results and secure reproducibility. Export a CSV or PDF report including metadata, save your scoring preset, and archive the highest rated images. If scores feel off, refine metric weights or reprocess only flagged images to improve relevance. If the tool stalls or returns errors, try the key troubleshooting tip. Clear the tool cache, verify file naming conventions, and reduce very large images. These steps resolve most processing hangups quickly, so you can complete the job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.